Monday mark. Stapler. Pranam and Jai Jinendra from Rajeev. Once in an office, a junior executive was preparing for his very first client presentation. He had spent weeks polishing the slides, rehearsing the delivery, and printing out crisp handouts for the boardroom. Everything was just perfect. Just then, a disaster struck. As he was binding the 8 pages of the handout with a stapler, the stapler broke. The spring was jammed and the papers could not be stapled. He had only 5 minutes left before the meeting. He did not know what to do as he did not have any alternative. He was just feared that it is going to ruin his credibility. Once in an office, a junior executive was preparing for his very first client presentation. He had spent weeks. Just then, his office assistant noticed his struggle. He immediately gave his stapler from the drawer and said with a smile, "This has been with me for years." The executive quickly used it, stapling each and every set very neatly, and then walked with confidence in the boardroom. The stapler had saved his impression. Most of you use this stapler every day almost. The story behind the stapler is very interesting. In the 18th century, King Louis XV of France faced this problem. His documents were piling up, and loose documents were always a risk that it can be tampered with. An artisan was summoned to solve this challenge. He crafted the first known stapler, which was made of gold, with engraved royal seal on each of the binding wire. The king's papers were bonded together. It was not just a tool, but it was a mark of authority and permanence. Years later, as the paper became common in the 19th century, George McGill saw the same problem faced by the ordinary people. He patented a bendable brass wire in the year 1866, and by 1867 he created a functional stapler that could press the papers all through together. His invention was showcased at the Centennial Exhibition in Philadelphia in 1876 and marking the birth of this modern stapler. Friends, today 9th March is celebrated as Stapler Filling Day. True value is measured not by how impressive something looks, but how well it serves. Even the smallest invention like this stapler can hold the pages of the history all these years. Let us all build our humanity in today's tough time, bind all together and make your mark.